And before we get started, guys, I just want to say thank you so much for watching my videos. YouTube in 2018 and going into 2019 is such a hard place to get views and gain traction. Like, I've seen channels with more than 100,000 subscribers just get like a few hundred views to a few thousand views per video. So it's so hard to just get traction and earn money and turn this into a career. And while I never intend to turn YouTube into a full-time career, I do enjoy pumping out videos, seeing the views come, and then getting some money from it. So that's what this video is on, just showing you how much money I earned in 2018. But ultimately, it's thanks to you guys. I could have made 1,000 amazing videos, like Lord of the Rings quality videos, but if nobody watched them, it really wouldn't matter too much. So, thanks. So guys, I've done this every single year for the past 2 or 3 years now, where I basically recap the previous year, talk about my YouTube earnings, what I think about it, and then maybe compare it to the year before. So that's what I'm gonna do today. Like I've always said, as long as I'm gonna do this channel, it's always just been kind of part-time on the side as a hobby. I don't really mind disclosing my earnings. I want to use it to help you guys see what's possible. And I also do realize that people make way more than I do, so I'm not really bragging. There's YouTubers that make what I make all year in a single day. So I definitely know it's not really bragging, but also too, for people getting into YouTube, it's something cool to look at. So what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm gonna pull up my analytics for the whole year. We're gonna go month by month. We're gonna say what I think about it. We're gonna compare it to the previous year. And yeah, so let's get started. And I know I haven't uploaded any videos like this month at all. Like my last video uploaded was 17 days ago, but I've been getting over a sickness. I just graduated college, thank the Lord. I'm finally done with that. So I have more time to focus on YouTube and maybe get my earnings up in 2019. So we're gonna start in January. So this is January of 2018, and we're just gonna go every month, talk about it. So January, didn't even hit $1,000. For a side gig though, it's pretty cool to see that. You can definitely see in January, it started off, the earnings weren't very good, just because typically in the new year, our earnings are low because everyone stopped spending with Christmas, and luckily it did go up a little bit. And then so February, also, still pretty low, but at least it's pretty consistent as well. Still didn't hit $1,000. And then March, we get a little bit of a spike there. So we hit $60 in a day. We actually surpassed $1,000. Very cool. We had like a huge spike, I think because in this time I was either getting popular with my Fortnite videos, or maybe I also made a Avengers video as well. That could have also gotten popular. I think that's due to that. So that's pretty crazy to see that I hit over $160 in a day. And then in May, we hit $1,300. So this is all like very consistent. You know, there aren't really any big spikes or anything like that. In June, kind of dipped down, but we almost surpassed $2,000, which is crazy. In July, pretty consistently at like $40 a day, then it spiked up to almost $80, $1,400. August, hitting $1,700, pretty good. September, wow, September was a really good month, $2,300, spiking at $160 in a day, pretty good. October, really consistent month, $1,600. November, another $2,000 month, which was great. We have Black Friday in November, obviously, so people are on the internet a lot. They're looking up the tech that they're shopping for. Also, ads are also up a lot as well. And then here in December, which we know December isn't over yet, so, and I also haven't uploaded any videos in December. I think I uploaded one on December 1st. So this is all just basically like passive income, like income from my videos I've uploaded throughout the year and previous year. So it says it's delayed 1 day. So if we do the math, we're going to end December at another $2,000 month. I really wish I had more time this month to upload. If I did consistently, who knows like what I could have been at. And then if we can just do the last 365 days. So basically this time last year in 2017 to now, we hit $18,000. So almost $20,000 in a year from ads only. And if you also just want to see the lifetime channel view earnings, so 42,000, and you can just kind of see how it's, it's pretty much consistently gone up year after year. You can see like in 2014 is when I started really making an impact as far as income. I've been uploading to this channel, I think way before that, but 2014-15 is when I started. And it's pretty much like been going in an upward trend every year, which is pretty cool. And you can see my views as well, like if you want to see last 365. Like there's been a few spikes throughout the year, but for the most part, it's pretty consistent. So we got 9 million views this year. And then for the lifetime, 27 million views. So it almost looks like, I don't know, views aren't as consistent as my earnings. Like my earnings seem to be going up more consistently than my views, which, I mean, that's good. It means I'm getting more money per 1,000 views. So I'm kind of, in theory, putting less effort to get more money. I kind of wish I could be getting more views and more money, but the way YouTube works these days, it's just very hard to like get a video out there to gain traction. It's just because I have 80,000 subscribers, which I'm very thankful for, but just because I have 80,000 subscribers doesn't mean every video is going to get 80,000 views. I mean, heck, I've had videos that, I mean, you know, like some of them don't even hit 1,000 views. Some of them just get a few thousand views. If I sort by my most views, you can see, I have a few that have hit 1 million. But for the most part, most of my videos are just average. One of my best videos I actually made last year has just been carrying me forever. So this Mavic Pro versus Phantom 4 Pro video I made in 2017. If you check the lifetime earnings of this specific video, it's at 3,400 views, and it actually does really good around the holidays because people are looking for drones, and CPM on drones is really good, so I actually get a lot of money from that as well. And also, guys, let's check out my Amazon earnings. So this is from my Amazon affiliate links. This is pretty much one of the only other forms of income to this channel. So I'm going to go to the payment history. That's the easiest way to show it. So we're just going to, okay. So here is, this isn't going to be for the full year, but you can see right now for the earnings that I made in October, it was $574, and that's going to get paid to me in just a few days. Amazon lags by 2 months. So basically, the money I made in all of October, I get paid towards the end of December. But once you start like getting consistent and always getting paid, you don't really notice it. But you can kind of see, like this year, I haven't really been like an all-star in Amazon earnings. Like it's pretty consistent around like $400 to $500 to $600 every month. There's like a $690, there's $751. I mean, there's 1,000, but that, 1,100, but that's from December of last year, and December is always a good month for me typically. But I'd say last year I did better on Amazon. Typically, to do really good on Amazon, you just want to make reviews and then link to Amazon, and then if people click that affiliate link, you get money. But another thing people don't realize, YouTube likes when you like link to other YouTube videos, not outside of YouTube. So sometimes I think when people make reviews and then link to Amazon, it kind of hurts them because you're encouraging people to go off of YouTube, and YouTube will recognize like session watch time. So you could link to another YouTube video, either your video or somebody else's, and YouTube loves that. But if you link to Amazon and people leave YouTube completely, that looks really bad on your channel. So you can kind of see the dilemma that a YouTuber would kind of get up to. Like, you don't want to push people off YouTube, but you also do want to earn some extra money. But if we just do some quick math and just assume that I got about $500 per month, it's probably more than that when you think about it. So that's like $6,000 per year through Amazon. We made about $18,000 this year, so 18, 19, 22, 1, 2, 3, 24. So let's round it up. So I made about $25,000 this year. So $25,000, like, is that good? A lot of like entry-level jobs pay that, so you would think that that'd be great. You know, someone could start YouTube, they could basically work from home, don't have to pay for gas. But the thing is, YouTube for me, like, I rarely make any profit on it at all. So like the camera I'm filming on, I bought that with these earnings, and like the lens on the camera is a $2,000 lens, microphone is $1,000, the computer, just like the different smartphones I buy. So it's not really something that I use to make a profit on. But in 2019, I really want to focus on just like settling down, not buying every single thing that comes out. I really just want to like basically finally start giving myself some money, even if it's not a lot. And I think that's very important. If people basically do what I've been doing for years and years, so basically since like 2013, 14, when I've been making YouTube videos, I make videos which make me money, which I buy things to make more videos. It's honestly just like an endless cycle of work, which I enjoy this, like this is my hobby, but it's still work. So my focus in 2019 is not to like create a better channel, to get more views, to reach so many subscribers. Like my goal for 2019 is just to be more conservative with the money that I earn from YouTube. Like, I do realize that it's important to, you know, upgrade your channel when it's needed, but all of my gear is good. I don't want to just buy into the hype of a specific camera or specific lighting or computer or anything like that. And if you want to see the earnings that I made in 2017 and 2016 as well, I will link them somewhere around me. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure you do that. We're trying to hit 100,000 subscribers. I said I wanted to do that before the end of 2018, but I doubt we're gonna get there. But if you can subscribe, that would be great. Just hit my head somewhere around here as well. Have a great day, guys. See you later. Bye.